Hello, Class 6 students of Sacred International School. Today, we are going to start our first lesson, Growing Up, written by Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. In this lesson, we learnt about the school journey of Mahatma Gandhi ji. He was just 7 years old when his father left Porbandar for Rajkot, and he was put into a primary school. He was a mediocre student. In his whole journey of schooling, he had never ever lied either to his teachers or to his schoolmates and his parents. He was very shy kind of person. His books and lessons were his only companions. In this story, he explains his few incidents of life. First incident was when Mr. Gills, the educational inspector, had come on visit of inspection. He had set 5 words to write as a spelling exercise, but Gandhiji misspelled it. The teacher tried to prompt Gandhiji to copy from others' slate, but Gandhiji did not understand because he thinks that the teacher can never guide his student to do wrong things. But after some time, he realizes that his teacher himself wants Gandhiji to copy from other students. Yet, that incident did not in the least diminish his respect to his teacher. He was by nature blind to the faults of elders. His regard remains the same. The second incident when he do the lesson but often without his mind in them. He reads a play of Shravan how he devotes his life on his parents, and that lesson leaves a deep impact on his mind. Gandhiji thought that he should copy Shravan's character. The third incident during his 7th standard, when Dorabji Adalji Jimmy was the headmaster, he was the disciplinarian and a good teacher. He made gymnastics and cricket compulsory. Gandhiji disliked the both games because he was very shy person, and he has also one false notion that gymnastics had nothing to do with education. But then he realizes that the physical fitness is equally important. In the end, he said that he still paid the penalty for neglecting of my handwriting. He said that he felt ashamed of lawyers and young men educated in South Africa by watching their handwriting. He said at the end that children should first be taught the art of drawing with different objects and learn handwriting. After that, they will then write with the beautifully formed hand. So with this, we have completed this lesson. I hope that you all liked it. Let's move to the exercise. Reading 1. On the basis of your reading of the text, select the best possible answer. A. The copying incident did not lessen Gandhiji's respect for his teacher because option number 1. He did not find fault with elders. No, it's incorrect. Second option. He believed that teachers were always right. Yes, this is right. उनको लगता था कि टीचर्स कभी भी गलत नहीं हो सकते. वो हमेशा अपने बच्चों को राइट ही गाइड करते हैं. ऑप्शन नंबर 3. He was afraid of speaking. No, this is also wrong. Option number 4. Many students copy in the exams. No, this is also wrong. Come to option number B. Harish Chandra's quality that impressed Gandhiji was his honesty. C option. Gandhiji did not participate in sports because of his shy nature. गांधीजी बहुत ही shy nature के थे, इसलिए वो किसी भी sports activity में participate नहीं करते थे. वो बहुत ही reserve nature के थे. Okay. Here are a few sentences taken from the text. Locate these sentences in the text and try to infer the meaning of the words given here in italics. The first one has been done for you. Okay. We move to the second one. Yet the incident did not in the least diminish my respect of my teacher. So we supposed to write here diminish. Highlighted possibly word means we can use instead of diminish as finish and prevent. Okay. I very carefully guarded my character. Character, soul, habits. We can use two words instead of character. The least little blemish drew tears from my eyes. Blemish, we can use two words instead of blemish, and these two words are imperfection, intoxication. Okay, fifth one. I was not regarded as a dunce in high school. We can use two words instead of dunce, like fool, foolish. Move to the D exercise. There are few of Gandhiji's qualities. Give instances from the story to prove them. The first has been done for you. We move to the second one. Honest. Yes, he is honest person. He was honest person. He never lie he never lie in his entire life. Okay, third one is respect for his teachers, elders. Yes, he follow the orders, not scan the actions of elders. Loving. Yes, he was loving. He wants to help his father also. Sensitive. He is very, very sensitive. He cried to watch Shravan's picture with his parents. Okay. Now let's move to the second exercise, and that is fill in the blanks with the correct word from the options provided. Sorry. There. So the first there is correct. Going to sit together tonight, study. They will begin work after 8 dash. इसमें 3 देर दिए हैं. Last वाला there is correct. Mother told them not to be noisy as they have an elderly guest. This is guest and guest. Guest is the right option. Staying with them. She also told them not to waste stationery. The correct spelling is the stationery is this. Stationery. Mother also prepared some flour. Flour means atta. Flour is incorrect. Flour is right. Donuts for them. I know. This no is correct. That they are going to have a nice time. So with this we have completed our chapter. I hope that you liked it. Thank you.